Checking your account balance on Liquid Web is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Liquid Web website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Account tab in the main menu. Click on it to access your billing information. Step 3. View account balance. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check transaction history. If you want more details, look for a transaction history or billing history option. This will provide a detailed list of past transactions and charges. Step 5. Contact support if needed. If you have any questions or issues regarding your account balance, don't hesitate to reach out to Liquid Web's customer support. They can assist you with any inquiries. Now you can easily check your account balance on Liquid Web whenever you need to.